Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best DC power supply review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Owen SPE Series DC Power Supply. This series includes models like 60V 10A and 60V 5A, and it's built for electronics repair, R&D testing, battery experiments, and repetitive lab tasks. Compared to normal bench supplies, the big upgrade here is programmability. The Owen SPE offers high-resolution control, 10mV and 1mA, which is excellent for sensitive circuits. It has a 2.8-inch TFT LCD, so voltage, current, and settings are easy to see. One powerful feature is the list or waveform output mode, where you can edit time steps, great for automated testing. It can also show voltage and current curves, so you can monitor how your load behaves in real time. Output quality is strong with low ripple and low noise, which helps when working on audio circuits or precision electronics. It includes overvoltage and overcurrent protection, so your devices stay safe, and it uses an intelligent temperature-controlled fan, keeping it cool without being too noisy. It also supports USB communication, meaning you can control it from a computer using SCPI commands, perfect for automation setups. So if you want a bench power supply that's not just powerful but also programmable and accurate, the OWON is a great choice. Number 4. GVDA DC Power Supply. This power supply comes in different versions like 0 to 30V, 0 to 60V, and 0 to 120V, with current options up to 3A, 5A, or 10A depending on the model. It supports 110V or 220V input, so it's usable in many countries. A big highlight is the 3-window LED display, which shows voltage, current, and power in watts at the same time. It has 0.01V and 0.001A resolution and around 0.5% accuracy, which is great for most lab and repair work. You can also preset voltage and current, then adjust smoothly, useful when you're powering sensitive circuits. The GVDA supports constant voltage and constant current modes, so it automatically limits current when needed. It includes overload protection, and the cooling fan is temperature controlled. It starts working when the unit reaches around 50 degrees Celsius, keeping noise low during light use. It also includes a 5V 2A USB port, handy for charging a phone or powering small modules. This makes it useful for battery charging, production line testing, repairs, and lab learning. Overall, GVDA is a solid compact bench power supply with a clear display and useful safety features. Number 3. WampTech DC Power Supply. This model supports up to 30V and 10A, and some versions go up to 60V 5A or 120V 3A. It's designed for lab use, testing circuits, battery charging, and general electronic maintenance. One of the best things is the high-precision LED display. Depending on the model, it can show voltage, current, and even power in watts, so you always know what's happening in real time. You can adjust both voltage and current smoothly, and it supports constant voltage and constant current modes, switching automatically based on the load. WampTech includes multiple protections like OVP, OCP, over-temperature protection, and short-circuit protection, which is very important when working on sensitive electronics. It also has a temperature-controlled cooling fan, so it stays quiet at low load and cools efficiently when needed. This power supply is also small and lightweight, around 2.6 pounds, so it's easy to carry for on-site repairs or small workbenches, and the dual voltage input 110V, 220V makes it flexible for different locations. Overall, the WampTech bench power supply is a solid option if you want adjustable output, good safety features, and a clear display in a compact body. Number 2. Quiets UC DC Power Supply. The first thing I like is the large 4-digit LED display. It shows voltage, current, and power in watts in real time, which is super helpful. The resolution is 0.01 volt and 0.001 ampere, so you can make very precise adjustments. It also has an output on-off button, which is great for safety. You can set your voltage and current first, then turn output on only when you're ready, no accidental damage to your circuit. It includes overvoltage, overcurrent, overpower, overload, overtemperature and short circuit protection, plus grounding support. It also cooling is handled by an intelligent temperature-controlled fan, so it stays quiet at low load and speeds up only when needed. There's a built-in 5-volt 2-ampere USB port, handy for charging phones or powering small modules. The unit is also compact and lightweight, around 2.6 pounds, so it's easy to move around the workspace. Overall, the Quartz UC is a solid choice for electronics repair, battery charging, DIY projects, lab testing, and education. If you want a bench supply with a clear display, strong protection, and easy controls, this one is worth checking out. Number 1. Jesverdi SPS 3010-volt DC power supply. This power supply delivers up to 30 volts and 10 amps, making it perfect for Arduino, Raspberry Pi, battery charging, repairs, and DIY electronics. It supports 110-volt and 220-volt AC input, so you can use it almost anywhere in the world. The coarse knob adjusts the main value and the fine knob gives very precise control. You also get a 4-digit LED display with 0.01 volt and 0.001 ampere resolution, which is great for accuracy. Another very useful feature is the output on-off button, so you can adjust voltage and current without disconnecting your load. It includes USB-A and USB-C ports with 20-watt fast charging, perfect for charging your phone or powering small modules. It has overcurrent protection, a temperature-controlled cooling fan, and an OPN mode, which allows automatic output when powered on. It's also compact and lightweight, saving a lot of space on your workbench. Overall, the Jesverdi is a reliable, feature-packed bench power supply at a great value. If you work with electronics, this is definitely worth considering.